Hi, this is Robin McDermott, and welcome to my presentation about the board game Sorry. Sorry is one of my family's go-to games. My kids have been playing it for as long as I can remember. It's been a popular game since it was created in 1930 and was originally a Parker Brothers game, but now it's owned by Hasbro. Currently, it sells for $6 on eBay, and Target tops off the price at $9.99. So let's take a look at what's in the box. The equipment includes the Sorry game board, a deck of cards that are numbered 1 to 11, but there are no 9s and no 6s in that deck. The game includes 16 pawns, 4 each of 4 colors, and a set of directions. For regular play, it's designed for 2 to 4 players, ages 6 and up. Each player has 4 pawns. All 4 pawns begin on the coordinating color start, and the winner is the person who gets his or her pawns from start all the way around the entire board and up the safe zone to home. Okay, so each player chooses a color and then places them on their start, and then players move their pieces by drawing cards to see how many spaces that they can move. But you have to be careful because there are some cards that have specific rules attached. For example, you may only leave your start if you draw a 1, 2, or a 2, and a 2 allows you to draw again. If you draw 11, you can either move 11 spaces or you can take your pawn and switch with another opponent. The best thing you can draw is a sorry card. If you draw a sorry, then you get to take your card from the start and knock anybody off of the board back to their own start and take their place. Here are some workarounds. If you have lost or missing pawns, you can use Lego pieces, connect 4 pieces, or checker pieces. One time we used Hershey Kisses. Game cards can be remade in Microsoft Word and printed on cardstock. Variations of regular cards and editable cards are available on Teachers Pay Teachers website. There's a link in the write-up. Game boards can be replicated or even resized with colored construction paper, and you could create your own digital versions with Active Inspire or with PowerPoint. Last time we played, we had to replace some yellow pieces with some yellow Legos, which we have plenty of. So that worked out perfectly. A few other variations. I happen to have a Pokemon Sorry. It's about the same, but if you happen to pick something like this, if you happen to be a grass Pokemon, you move forward 24. If you're somebody else and you choose that, then you only move forward 12. So here are some ideas of how to use Sorry in the classroom. In an elementary classroom, possible skills could be counting, taking turns, learning to win or lose with grace, attaching sight words that they'd have to say out loud to advance, teamwork, and strategizing. In the middle and high school, whole class play could be achieved by splitting students into teams and using an interactive board created on either Active Inspire or PowerPoint. Players would have to take turns drawing a card and then answer correctly to move their pawn. In a health or a PE class, you could design the classroom or the gymnasium as a large Sorry board. Students could roll dice rather than choose cards and then answer a question about nutrition or maybe do a physical activity in order to move. They can work in teams and catch up to the team in front of them to send them back to home. Make sure you say sorry. I found several ideas on Teachers Pay Teacher website for speech therapists, and I thought also it would be a good idea for ELL teachers. You could use the original board for small group work, but create cards for students to use to help practice pronouncing words or reading words. This one I found on Pinterest. It's mastering your math facts while playing Sorry. There are some modifications for this. The kids get 7 cards in their hands and they have to use stickers and answer multiplication facts as they go around. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this and will find a way to use Sorry in your classroom. Bye.